Okay, so I tried off camera cutting out those wheels, and you can see, if my camera will focus, you can see where it like scored it, but it didn't actually cut through. And no matter how hard I tried or how many shims I put in, it just wouldn't go. I didn't want to hurt my arm. And then I tried cutting it out, and that came out disastrous. So I've got two little circles here, which I might as well have just used circle punch for. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my circle punch with another piece of paper. I'm going to try hollow. I love working with hollow, and I got this paper pad from Joann's. It was like $1.99 or $2.50 or something, which is a really good price. If I can push this down. But it's, I don't want to push it on top of my paper because I don't want to dent my paper. Here's the rest of that paper. So, there you go. Okay, this is difficult doing this in a small space and not my craft space. My craft space was out in public, so I didn't want to use that for this video. And I may not be able to get this punch to go through because it does need some tin foil to sharpen it. Oh, but I got it. Okay. See, where'd it go? Oh, it just jumped right over there. Okay, so this is going to be really pretty. But I don't know. I mean, it's pretty, but it's, and then I'm going to put a heart, like Brad or something in the center. But I don't know if it's what I want for this project. I am very picky about I mean, that's cute, but I really like these papers. I really want these papers to shine, so I'm also going to try it with, sorry, I had a supply slide over here. I'll have to edit that out. Gag reel. I just realized this hole is about the same size. I'm going to try, it might be a little bit smaller, so I might be able to get 3 layers on a wheel, which would be kind of cool. Not that most wheels have 3 layers. Oh, that was so much easier. But, you know, this is my project, my little invention. Oh, that's so cute. That's so cute. So I guess it has 2 rims. That's going to be so cute. Let's put that right here. Oh, am I in frame? Nope, not in frame. No, I'm in frame. Put that right there. Try that. No, I don't like the hollow. Let me try this, the bigger punch with this paper. And this is just a punch that I found at the thrift store. I love to go thrifting, and I find lots of great craft supplies while I'm thrifting. Also buy new craft supplies. But I'm a sucker for a deal, so. Okay, so that came out there. You know, oh, that's cotton candy. I was looking at the top of the Frank Garcia. Let's see. Oh, this is going to be, yes, this is so much better. This is so much better. I like this. I like this a lot. And then to match the top, we're going to have this guy. Oh, no. This guy goes right here. Oh, it's so cute. So stinking cute. And then we'll do one for the other side, too. Oh, can you see that? So you can see the whole project. There we go. So cute. Maybe you can see it against the carpet better. So look at this. Okay, so we've got our basics here. Now for the other side, and I just realized I'm going to have to cut off the handles here for the other side. This, and cut off this. Boop. Okay. Now we're going to do this. Let's see, this is going to face this direction, so it's going to need to be on this side. This little guy will be on that side. That's the thing that you have to remember. Oh, it's not in frame. That's the thing that you have to remember about using these dies that are designed for seeing one side, is that when you make the other side, you're going to have to flip everything because the dies aren't flipped for you. But luckily it works out with this die. You probably also work with like a cupcake die. You could probably do like a 3-dimensional cupcake this way. I don't know. That might be kind of fun sometime, huh? Okay. And then I'm going to punch out this guy right here. Put him over there. Yeah. Go. It's so much easier. Oh, look at it. I got a word. I could stick than on my card, but I won't. Okay, so now it's time for some gluey glue. And I have some zip dry for the middle. Maybe I'll do that first because I've got my zip dry here. So, let's see. And then I'll glue on the rest part. Now, most people use hot glue, but in case you can't tell, I'm already a little bit of a hot mess express. Hey Eileen, there's your phrase, hot mess express. Totally describes me. So I like using this zip dry that you can get at Hobby Lobby, and it dries really fast. So if you're going to do a project like this and you don't like hot glue, then you can just add it. Problem is I'm down to the bottom of the dregs, and sometimes with the dregs it really doesn't work as a it really doesn't work getting it out. But what you can do is I'm gonna have to get this to come out. Hold on. There we go. Okay, so I just used my where's the camera? Here it is. My paper piercer to get this glue to come out, and now it's coming out, as you can see. So you have to work really fast with it because otherwise it just dries up. So I'm gonna put that big old dab of glue right there, right here, right here. Now I've got to use this quick before it dries because it does dry in like 30 seconds. So I'm going to go ahead and stick this on here, and then I'm going to hold it down. This is kind of, there we go. Make sure I get the glue on where I want it. Okay, and this is where getting it exact, it wasn't even, so I cut this part a little bit, and now it doesn't touch as much as I would like it to. So I'm going to have to kind of fold it at an angle to the part that does touch. But this is not meant to be viewed from the side. This is meant to be viewed from one side. And it's coming together, and it will be able to be viewed from all the sides, but it just won't look as good on all the other sides. I've got glue coming out my ears, so I'm just gonna, and this is not gonna show. This on the inside. I'm realizing I need a top to this because I am planning on putting some cute little cotton candies. We've all been making those cotton candies. I've been following along with all you crafters. I've watched Lean Payne and Christiane's Crafty Adventures and Crafty Poodle Mom and Craft Purge and Tennille and Paper Milkshakes. And I think Tennille is Paper Milkshakes, right? And yeah, I see you all. I just haven't been participating in challenges because of timing issues. Oh my gosh, I'm so busy. But I really wanted to start this. Oh my gosh, look how cute! It's coming together so cute. Okay. And hopefully it would be sturdy enough that you could put like a little, some little candies in there, some Hershey's Kisses or whatnot. Okay, so this is looking decent so far, but I'm going to put some more glue on the inside. And I might use, I'm going to try, the thing that you can do with here we go, the thing that you can do with this glue when it is getting down to the dregs like this is you can cut it open. If it won't come out at all of the side, I mean of the mouth, you can cut it across the middle and use it for like ice crystals. Looks really pretty with ice crystals. So I'm just going to let that dry for a minute. And then I'm going to use another glue because I'm so low on the zip dry and I don't absolutely need zip dry for this. I picked this up. Oh, this is the Ultimate Crafter's Glue. I've struggled with this a little bit. Water-based super glue. I think my main problem with this one was getting it open, if I recall. I'm certainly struggling with it right now. Oh, it comes out there. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and glue my little wheels. Come on. Well, it might be zip dry tonight anyway. Yeah, as I say, I've been having trouble getting this glue out. So, hopefully, zip dry will come through to the rescue. If not, I might go get another glue. I'm like the glue queen. I have like 97 different types of glue. Let's see, there's that. And I don't really want it to show, so I tried to get it in the middle as much as possible. And then, there's this one. The wheels aren't going to look totally uniform because that page that I used with all the paint is not totally uniform. Come on, it's the little glue that could. This is the other problem with zip dry, is that it doesn't always want to come out, especially when you get, and then when it comes out, finally starts coming out, it doesn't always want to stop coming out, and then you're left with way more than you needed. So anyway, I'm finally getting this stuff out. And